For over a century, the Titanic has been a mass grave. But what if the dead never truly went to sleep? We sent our ROV into unmapped sections of the wreck, and what we captured defies all logical explanation. Before we show you this terrifying, unedited footage, please subscribe to Sunken Inside. Be warned, you are not alone in the dark. Deep ocean currents move slowly. They cannot manipulate heavy machinery. Yet, as we reach the ruined bridge, our cameras recorded a physical impossibility. Watch the telegraph closely. Something, or someone, is still giving orders. Seeking refuge from the open decks, we pushed into a remarkably intact first-class stateroom. Mirrors hold reflections of the present. But down here, the glass seems to remember the past. Look at the reflection. We were not alone in that room. We descended into the vast, muddy expanse of the first-class dining saloon. This was once a place of laughter and music. Now, it is a silent graveyard of shattered porcelain. But as our camera hovered over a ruined table setting, the silence was shattered by something mimicking the living. Fleeing the dining room, we plunged into the lowest levels of the wreck, Boiler Room 6. The men who worked here, the Black Gang, died in a terrifying inferno of steam and freezing water. The massive iron furnace doors have hung open for a century, fused solid by rust. Or so we thought. Escaping the violent energy of the boiler rooms, we sought the quiet of the first-class lounge. But the Titanic's ghosts are not always violent. Sometimes they just want to be heard. As we approached the ruined grand piano, the ocean itself seemed to hold its breath for a ghostly performance. Time permanently stopped on April 15, 1912. The freezing salt water instantly fused the gears of every clock and watch on board, freezing them at the exact moment of tragedy. But in the abyss, we discovered that even time can be manipulated by the unseen. Gravity is a fundamental law of nature, but in the deepest, darkest corners of the Titanic, even the laws of physics seem to break down. We cautiously entered a remarkably preserved suite, only to find an object suspended in mid-water, waiting for us. The energy shifted violently. We were no longer observers. We had become the prey. Something massive, unseen, and furious was awakened by our presence, and it wanted us out. Now. This is our final transmission. Whatever is trapped down there in the dark, it finally made contact. This is the unedited, final footage recovered from the drone. We are not welcome here. The Titanic belongs to them.